everybody, welcome to tonight's adventure. We've made it to CHUMPHON, Thailand, and so far I like it. I feel like most tourists kind of skip CHUMPHON and go straight to the islands, but we've decided to stay for a few days and kind of catch up on a few errands. And yeah, the city is kind of growing on us. What we found really cool about CHUMPHON is the amount of street food and vendors out on the street. It's pretty bustling, and really it seems like it's catered to the locals, not just the tourists. So I'm excited to explore tonight. We've started the night off already with some orange juice. Squids are pretty crazy. I can smell them pretty good from here. So far, we've seen a lot of really fun options. So we stopped for some pad thai with red pork, and it looks really good. First food spot was a success. It cost about 40 baht, so about $1.50 USD. And really that was some of the best pad thai I've had, really. We kind of saw that there was just a ton of locals there, so we stopped by, and yeah, it was really good.
Happy.
สวัสดีครับ
สวัสดีครับ
อ
านแล้วว่ะเห็นไหมไว้หัวหน้านั้นก็ไว้ตีน้อยยังไม่ย้ายกลับมานะ
So we stopped for some quail eggs with seaweed on it. She put some chili sauce and powder on it. Yeah, it's almost like a hard-boiled egg. With some sushi taste to it. All right, what'd you get?
It's a waffle filled with taro.
That was good. Nice and sweet. That taro was really good. Sawadika.
ลาชิมได้นะครับ
Hello, Sawadika. Got some green donuts. Really good. We were kind of hoping they were matcha donuts, but you were thinking it was
Maybe they're green pandan. I don't know. I saw
green
something
pandan.
else with that.
Yeah, it's still really good. And I love the color. So yeah, I think I got some strawberries that are covered in sugar that's been kind of melted down at a perfect temperature.
I forget the name of it, but I see that on every TikTok.
Yeah, it's like a candy apple, but with the strawberry inside. Candy strawberry. Very good. So that turned out really fun. Short adventure. But we had some really fun foods. Never tried the eggs, the quail eggs, and I've never tried the candy strawberries. So we got to eat something new tonight. Thank you guys for coming out tonight, and we'll see you on the next one.